Taikehe? Nope, this is not Achak Justin. I am Jancy, and to the Chinoy community, this one's for you. May bagong pupuntahan na naman tayo sa Amoranto. Welcome to Chino Cafe, isang modern Chinese cafe na tinayo ng sensational Chinese vloggers na sina Aya Thunder, Justin Chua, Sam Kua, at ang El Capitan Tauke, Raymond So. Thunderson being a sophisticated Chinoy chef, siya ang nag-curate ng menu, kaya puro Chinoy favorites talaga. We ordered the twice-cooked braised beef at Shanghai lumpia. At sure na pasok to sa panlasa nyo, especially yung side dish nilang tomato egg, sobrang gusto ko talaga. Pati yung rice nila may ground pork, and I love it. Ngayon, papasok naman tayo sa beverages. Dito naman, Raymond flexes his coffee expertise. At bilang orange Americano lover, nagustuhan ko yung orange Osmanthus creamsicle. Sobrang unique, though I know medyo preferential to, pero trust me, kung katulad mo ako, malamang you will love it. Okay din yung strawberry mocha nila. Parang kumakain ka ng Meiji chocolate pero in drink form. So soft opening pa lang sila and they're open until 7 p.m. So siguraduhin yung pumunta ng mas maaga, pero I have a feeling dito na magchichismisan ng mga Chinoy community ng QC. So kung nasa area ka, do drop by. Suportahan natin itong bagong venture ng ating mga Chinoy content creators. Again, this is Jancy. I'll see you around.